We're in the mountain climbing.
Your first time here?
It's my first time here, you know.
Wow.
Oh my
1
goodness.
year, Christy, please.
Yeah, more than 1 year here. You know, almost two. You know, when I'm working the other house,
Oh, yeah, that's true.
I'm not, you know, I think 3 months before I go to the town.
No way.
Yes.
What?
Yeah.
How is possible? How is
Because I have 1 day off only. And
yeah?
then sometimes I don't want to go because everything is free inside the house. We have food in a lot. I'm not buying something. But before we go to the US, I go to the town. It's my first time to do that one. But
But it's cold, no?
yes, yeah, yeah, yeah. You know this place?
Sorry?
Eh? You know this place, and then we're going there.
Yeah, we might big round and round.
Oh my
I
god.
was telling you.
It's okay. It's
Yeah, I know this place, of course.
it's okay for me. It's good to know.
What do you think? I take you somewhere where I don't know about. What do you think? I'm crazy.
No,
Wow,
I know that you are almost 20 years here in Gestad. Oh, look at, hey, look at. Yeah. Hi. Hello. Hello. Shouty. Thank you so much. Oh my. Yung kasama ko, guys. Oh. Tamsak. Host, good evening. Good evening. You see, guys. You see, Lee, Ulonggo. I think si Lee ito. Kasi naka-handle na naman si YT. Nakakainis. Oh, call him. Good day. Hi, hi. Papa, Self! Come here, come. I'm looking sawa. Self. Hey. Uy, Ilonggo. Lee, Ilonggo, why are you laughing? Uh, call Vitor. Veronica. Oh, so you are running, eh? Oh, there's somebody's walking here also. You're taking a picture, eh? Oh my God. What? May sawa? Oo, may sawa. Masawa! Sawan-sawa na! Oy, look! Beautiful. Look, guys! Oh my God! May sawa dito, Sel! A lot of sawa! Ah! Ay! Oh, tingnan mo, mayroon highway na pala. Uy, nice this. Veronica, very nice here.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah.
Imagine in the sun.
Oh, yeah.
You like this place?
Yeah, I like.
So beautiful. It's always beautiful.
In summer, I
In
think they have snake here.
come on, they don't.
Look,
Never saw snake here,
I know this.
please.
I know this dog.
Yeah?
I know this dog. This Rolo. Yes.
Look, it's so beautiful.
Yeah.
You're happy here?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm happy so much. Look, the pine tree. Look.
Oh,
Oh my God. Hello, bonjour. Rolo. Hi. How are you, my love? Hi, so cold. Hello. Hi. You know me? I think yes.
How come?
For my.
My,
My.
Mila.
Yes.
Good.
Yeah, sometimes he walk with Rolo. And I was with, oh my God.
She's a bit cold.
Oh,
Enjoy your walk.
thank you,
Bye-bye.
madam.
bye.
Bye.
You know this dog?
Yeah, I told you that the Filipinas walking with the dogs. Sometimes I'm with
Yeah, I
them.
saw this already in your Insta story.
Oh yeah, that one.
Do you like
Yeah.
this place, Christy?
Oh yeah, I like it. Look, I think they have snake at night.
They don't. Yeah,
No?
so please,
No?
Christy.
No? Oh my goodness.
But I
You know?
always tell you, in summer, after work, go a little
No,
bit.
I don't know this place. I don't know the way how to walk over here.
Today you learn.
Oh yeah, I know.
I do it sometimes alone,
Yeah?
of course.
Oh, this one is a house.
Yeah.
They have somebody's living there? Oh no.
No.
No?
This is only for cows.
For the cows?
So yeah.
Oh my. Ang lamig na ng... It's so cold. Oh my God.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
You sleep
look.
well today. Trust me.
Yeah. And then after I do some shower, taking you know,
Getting warm, yeah.
yeah. Sorry guys, nag-English ako kaya makasama ako. Ah, buray.
You make life now?
Huh?
You make life?
Yeah, I'm doing live, and then that I they said my watch that you are getting your walk step in. Oh my goodness. Oh guys. Oh oh nice. Oh my goodness. Veronica, no?
You happy here?
Yeah. Tomorrow I want to walk. Look, that house, I know that one because we walk with my with the dogs until there before the summer time. That oh my, and then why so nice. Oh my goodness. Ay! Oh look, they have a fountain. Oh nice. Everywhere, no? It's a fresh water. Yeah. Oh, so cold. But my hands frozen already. Ah, look. Parang ano, listen, they look like North Pole.
Yeah.
Look, the pine tree so beautiful.
And the silence is so.
Yeah. Oh my God. Thank you, Lee. We're staying, okay? Thank you so much. Oh my. Frozen na yung kamay ko, oh. Namumula na. Kasi may guantes, hindi inilagay. Ang tanga. Ang tanga lang, guys. They have bulldozer. Hoy, guantes ako, guys. Kasi, ang hapdi. Ah, mahapdi sa kamay. Akala nyo lang hindi malamig. Mm,
They're cleaning snow,
yeah,
And
yeah,
they
yeah.
bring snow here
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
from the road.
On the road. Yeah. Oh, and this
You
one
was
is a
waiting-
highway, no?
You was waiting for me, or it was like spontan? I go now.
I'm thinking I'm waiting for you because I want to go or no, sometimes like that. Yeah. And
That's
then
good. That's
yeah.
good.
This store back I know because they have Filipinos living there.
Exactly.
The
And now we
other
came to
like,
my. If you go this way, you will find my house.
yeah,
But we go there.
we go there.
We go around and around for
Okay.
an hour.
Okay.
Good for you?
Okay. Yes.
No,
The
I'm scared.
oh my.
No,